Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. This was my previous major idea about IOTA coin that I shared with you in the month of May. And this was the idea, by the way, I shared for my members at the Patreon on 30th of May. And after that, I also shared with you in this video as well. And you can see at that time, the price line after the drop of April, from April to June, the price line completed a very big harmonic cipher move, a bullish cipher move on the weekly time frame. And let me to show you this chart first because after the current drop, IOTA is again getting ready for another price reversal like it did back in July. And you can see after the completion of the final leg of this harmonic cipher, the price line moved a little bit above this buying zone. And therefore, I told my members here in this idea that we can wait for the price line and to move more down after some correction. It may give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone of this bullish cipher. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line had some correction, moved down approximately up to 61 cents, and then rallied up to $2.08. And our targets, as per this harmonic cipher, was up to $1.87. So it moved even beyond the targets. That was more than 240% move, and now it has moved down again. And you can see that it has formed another harmonic move while moving to the downside and re-entered the same buying zone. But right now, it has completed another harmonic bullish reversal Garland move this time. Previously, I shared the Cypher move, and this is the Garland move. Now we can see that we have the buying zone or the potential reversal zone as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Garland that starts from 89.6 cents and goes to 57.3 cents. And this is quite wide zone because this is the Fibonacci sequence of the Garland, and this is the potential reversal zone. When the price line enters here, then we try to find any entry point. By the way, we also have a very, very strong support here at 69 cents. Therefore, we can consider this buying zone from 89.6 cents to 69 cents. Now, after the reversal, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Garland, our sell targets can be again from $1.34 and goes to $1.82. That will be again another very big move. However, I'm expecting that the price line can again cross up these sell targets because whenever the price line, most of the times when the price line forms such big harmonic moves like on the weekly time frame here we have, or on the monthly time frame chart as well, then most of the times it cross up these sell targets that we define as per the Fibonacci sequence. However, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley, maximum it can go up to $1.82. Now, this level is very, very important, 69 cents, because previously this level has been working as a very, very nice support. You can see that when we had this drop in the month of May when the price line completed the previous cipher move I shared with you. And by the way, this was the previous cipher move that we have just seen. And this was the potential reversals on of the previous cipher. And from here, we had a very, very nice rally that was more than 240%. And you can see that during this move, during this previous drop, the price line found this strong support at 69 cents. We moved down here, we tested the support, we bounced, we moved down again, we had another bounce, we moved down again, and we had a very, very powerful bounce. Now, we have again tested the support here. We moved down up to approximately 69 cents here, and we touched approximately 69 cents, 69.43, and you can see that the price line is now likely to have a sideways move above this support. So we can set this below this level as our stop loss, and from here we can expect again another powerful reversal like we previously had. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.